Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add demo account in TradingView. If you're new to TradingView or just want a safe place to practice, a demo account, also called paper trading, is the perfect way to get comfortable with placing orders without risking real money. It mirrors the look and feel of live trading, but everything is simulated with virtual funds, so you can test ideas and build confidence. And if you're a Shopify store owner exploring trading as an additional income stream, this is especially important. Just like you wouldn't launch a new product without testing it first, you shouldn't risk capital without understanding how the platform works. Paper trading gives you that testing environment, but for financial markets. Here's how to do it in the simplest possible way. Look toward the top right area of your TradingView chart interface and click the Trade button. This opens the trading panel, where you'll see a list of available brokers. From that list, choose Paper Trading. This option is TradingView's built-in brokerage simulator. The moment you select it, TradingView connects you to the demo environment and sets up a virtual account for you to practice with. And that's it. Your demo account is ready to go. You don't need to submit documents, connect a bank, or deposit funds. Within seconds, you're inside a fully functional trading environment. This makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, especially if you're still learning how charts, indicators, and order types actually work. Once connected, you'll notice the trading panel clearly indicates that you're in paper trading mode. That label is your visual cue that all orders, positions, and balances are simulated. From here, anything you do, placing market or limit orders, setting stop losses or take profits, will behave like real trading, but it won't affect any live funds. This makes it ideal for learning platform features, refining strategies, or experimenting with new indicators and timeframes before taking them live. For example, you can test how a simple moving average strategy performs on a 15-minute chart versus a 1-hour chart. You can practice setting proper risk management by adjusting your stop loss and calculating position size. These are real skills that translate directly to live trading when you're ready. A quick tip for navigating the interface: the trading panel typically sits at the bottom of the screen, and it's designed to be straightforward. You'll see your virtual balance, open positions, order history, and notifications in one place, which helps you keep track of what's happening as you practice. If you ever switch to another broker later, always glance at the panel label to confirm whether you're still in paper trading or connected to a live service. This small habit can prevent costly mistakes. Think of it like double-checking that you're editing a draft version of your Shopify store and not your live theme. Always verify the environment before placing trades. If you're testing strategies, consider keeping notes on what you tried and why it worked or didn't. Paper trading is most effective when you treat it like a rehearsal for real markets. Follow your rules, observe your results, and make adjustments thoughtfully. Because the environment is simulated, it's a safe space to learn how orders fill, how spreads and volatility affect entries and exits, and how to manage trades from the chart. You can even create a simple tracking system, maybe a spreadsheet where you log entry reasons, exit reasons, and emotional decisions. Over time, patterns will start to appear. This turns paper trading from random clicking into structured skill development. And there you go. By clicking Trade in the top right and selecting Paper Trading, you've added a demo account in TradingView and are ready to practice in a risk-free environment. Happy trading, and keep refining your approach.